because the whole see memia and the chokwe biano utoge si memia ka emotu anwa beast this me and afujurumanya omecha mia pains so to hang is nebe sawa any day or any time once in a while corner but anytime o ga bia dey begida obi amapum even ofia ka obo to self we can bata na room no dress up ofi obi amapum no so can get wapu. So the fear this here in me. So lose one day, we don't say treating. Sometimes the man got just know that any one kind of be got just know. Show full stop me even no weekend or senior natural watch ya actually I'm no or show from one movie budo. So no one be well watch ya. He will start beating me and my children. Why ever kind of the man was just doing a lot of things for me to leave the house. So make it one day mbataze. Omaro na mo abatana. So ma bagote mepe because kadima no bia. That was one of my children's room near the man also no room can I like it. Then no magazine guest room. So because guest room is smaller, while my children's room is bigger. The man big, it's not my children's room can choro. So I'm batazia that day on namunia. I don't want one of my daughter's socks in nacho. So my second check here, I have not that their room in Yamoka nonia. Me peziozo. Because to me, I thought they have already left home. Though I saw his car downstairs, Gambata, but tomorrow I didn't take it serious. So I was sure that Nada, his friend, Apona. So me peze also for Hanabo together. Hana asleep. Now wanna sleep with have sex with the guy. I hope you are because I've never seen something like that in my life. I've never even imagined it as something like that where it came in as in I was like, Jesus Christ. So in the process of it, yaptazia kubami kubam senanga na CBN na at least I'm afugo about na me sense my what is going on now. We need them go examon na majigula nyamfo. Na mama go niano into me this that and na go one them work I should leave his house. So in the process of that, I forgot to say it. My brother, my step brother, which already the burial, who come for manga. So the policy move to my family, but then the only one them okay. I basically come off as after honors the whole thing. So make it so from that his shop and rapuzelia Chineke pick up fast from there. Finish it because all this while I been a tenant house, so close to prison, but within 3 months, all the time now finished to pull only on I kwabuzia kapakuna diono todizaka mabanyena from fry pan to fire every day. Or does it with go on so sinaga for straight game, Messi be poma pronando maponon, Nakanyanga almost 4 children when even got woman's and on a corner gate go to safe. Namu de dim, Namu kibia. If failing alone safe. So in the process, I was still so my children, at least my children they took to go Hamatagwe here. Hamatagwe, my first child, and I wanted to go not we are both then. Oh mama what was going on, except the last one. So Habia now advising mom, say mom live with this man, I should leave the man. I know. So one day I was just trying to talk to my children not to hate him or not here that day. I was just by that time so I was just trying to talk to my children. They shouldn't hate him because my children was angry at me. Can you hear that dog so my children now I'm massaging medical chemist, but I'm not treatment. My children now I'm massaging the womb, do not to the womb. So they were asking me to go. My first daughter, my first son, I said, let's leave. I said, I don't know where to go. And from my hyper cousin at the new house, he wasn't bringing money. I was the one taking care of the children. For like 2 terms, my children now got to school. And he was there. Now I have Netflix for his life, but nobody knows what was going on. He was busy telling everybody in the area that Nama brought his mate, this, that. And for one day, I never showed him anything that will make him feel that Nambo Berenwa. I was trying my best to make sure that Nambo a good wife to him. So yeah, so my children now wasn't those things. Maybe those now he will change that. He was just frustrated as Onye got prison. I was just trying to talk to my children not to hate him because I don't want they are too small. If you want the hatred in them at their age, though they are no longer little children anyways, but I don't want them to have any negative thought towards any human being. That was when my son opened up, was like, Mom, you don't have to cover this man. That's that he will never forgive this man. That was when even what I was even hiding. My son was saying, that was what even broke me. That was what deceived me. That was what even shattered me. That was him. That if he told me what this man was doing with that his friend, okay. That I will never forgive this man. I said, what? That was when they opened up to me. The man with that his friend.
Oh God.
Having and teacher on bending more phone. Because that was the last thing. Auntie Amucham that day. So I started pleading with them that they should forget about it. This, that I was just trying to work on their memories, not to remember it. But they are no longer kids. At least they are grown children. So my last fucking manage here. Now until one day. I asked him to map on because school. He became frustrated. Or from that school, or frustrated to get a mad drop when I was in 200 level. People, most of my lecturers, some even visited to convince me. I went back. So maybe those guys my could get the manager, could get the finish here. My part time come so it was 4 years course. So when I finished, then there's my project. Yes, in school and go. I don't want I can train one night I brought my school for one day. Now look all they train and that reverend father once in a while. I pop on the phone, how am I doing? High school. One drop out. They called him. He still supported me with little he could. So make it a zero. One day, yeah, but Simna, I have to leave. And number one, they actually go Kiamano way, yeah, where mem campona me where apple. And the Gabon cable is open, yes, I go with men several times. Namo, I follow, same soon as it is now, Nampo. And the quiet, and make a wet, full concerning him and that his friend, okay, they got gonna him. They got gonna him. Instead of my already because so he had really much on the canteen. No, I told him, can you human being know about it? So, my oyasa. Let me leave. Just in I just see us as tenants. Let me just leave because by then my mom had got sick. My only brother managed Obodo Ibela and I was sent there. Whoever he forgot where he was coming from. Yeah, join bad friends and Bido take had drugs which affected his brain. So I don't even say, please, let me just stay and be taking care of my children. I will never disturb you for one day. This man, Najupa. Anytime his friend there, his friend there, so now can own this that. I will not even talk to him. One day that dog was in Mobile. Yeah, Bido, where project even my project, my school final year project, one there by myself because then when I go get somebody to help me write. Yeah, well, I have how many months the project, my project. But thank God I'm already saved via na flash drive.
Try.
So God and everything. Yeah, we follow the flash. Na what I destroy my flash drive. So now I go to school. In the process, it is me here where road come easy. I pass out. It was no, I've been there since 2 days. So because me how mum chena ma wona tibezi the madu on the street be here police and I charge her to court. And the court that the magistrate Jumam for the fact I don't even want him to go to the prison. Let him just let me be.